Hi friends, let me show you these new lamps that I received for reviewing purposes. These are beautiful hand-blown glass pendant lights. They are kind of bluish color. Okay. In this pack, you get 2 lights and all the accessories that you need to install. Okay. This is a ceiling base, and as you can see, you can move around the pole, so you can install them in the ceiling, in a wall, in a sloped ceiling, or a curved ceiling, whatever kind of ceiling you have. This is the electric connector, of course. It goes like this. Let me show you. Okay, so this is the lamp, okay? And this is the other one. And you get these poles to install it. You can change the length or the height of the lamp with these 3 poles. You could use 3 or 2 or 1, okay? So you can install it as high as you like, or as high as your ceiling is, in the kitchen, in your kitchen island, wherever you are going to install it. You can see it's a long one, okay? So you can install it with 1, 2, or 3 of these poles, or just with the small one if you only have this small space in your ceiling, okay? So I think it's a very nice lamp. Let's install it and see how beautiful it looks, okay? It uses regular light bulbs, E26. So let's install it and try it. Thank you.
So as you can see, they are ready. They were actually very easy to put on, and they look quite nice. You can adjust the length with the different numbers of tubes that it comes in the package, which is really nice. And put them like this, so it's a little bit more stable, and they look great. Unlike the stainless steel look they have, they fit perfect. I really recommend it.